So we are in the city of, what is this, Riverside or Eastvale? I don't know what it is.
Eastvale.
Eastvale. More houses are being built here. As you guys can see, this is a neighborhood. If you see on the left side, there's like a whole bunch of like nothingness for now. These are some of the houses. So these are the model homes right here. We're gonna see if we could go in there, check them out, get them. So that one is called Delaney, and we have a video on that, so it's probably the same model. Same model, but 123,000 difference just because of the location. Go ahead and check out that video. There's 3 models here, and one of them is one that we haven't seen.
2 of them.
2 of them?
Delaney and Oxford we've seen.
Exactly, yeah. But one of them we haven't seen there. So this one's Paige. We've seen Delaney, and is that Oxford? We've seen that in Calimesa, but it's about the same. So let's see what the Paige is all about. Let's go this way. We always go the left, huh? This is probably your storage closet. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool because I guess like, you know, you could come in here, lay ahead and go sleep with Emiliano. I like the handles on these too. A little more modern for sure. Okay, there's room number 1 right here. And there seems to be another one. The restroom looks like it's over there, but let's check this out. Are they connected? Oh, they are. So that's another Jack and Jill, huh? So 1 bedroom right here. Obviously, you know, that's the window. The windows really, seem like bigger, don't they? Like the view. The view in Calimesa is definitely better in my opinion. You can see a lot more. But they do need to like build over here. Closet, you know, more closet. Not that big. This is a shared bathroom. Again, these don't have doors, but these are just models. Pretty big, pretty spacious, pretty decent. This is the 2nd room so far. Damn. These are pretty tall. Pretty nice. Okay, windows over here. On the outside, the other ones do seem to have more space. So if you ask me, I do prefer Calimesa. The houses are also closer. You can see the neighbor's house on the other side. These are also a little bit more expensive, by 100 grand or so. So area does mean a lot. Damn, we're both turning. Okay, let's start here. So mainly you can see the laundry room right here. You got the laundry room, it looks smaller too. The other one you can like walk through, huh? Got your cabinets and everything. Okay, just walk fast.
Yeah, because they're also going to close.
So this is closed, but I'm pretty sure that's a garage. Okay. So that's the bathroom. The 2nd bathroom right there. Not bad, huh? Modern. It seems a little bit more compact than the other one, but still good enough. Okay, this is the 3rd bedroom. So I'm sure there's probably one more for the master, because these don't seem that big. Closet, same as the other. Sliding doors. Got your window right there. Again, the neighbors is a little too close in my opinion compared to the other one in terms of preference. Let's go this way, huh? What is that right there? Oh, this is a half bathroom. And another half bathroom. The location is kind of weird of it, no? It's like in between. Okay, that doesn't make sense. So you just got your toilet and your sink.
Where's wallpaper?
This is the office right here. Not bad. It's a little different, obviously, you know, the setup of everything. I do like, again, the other ones more. I don't know why the office is here. It's kind of, I would have like closed that or something. I want my privacy. I don't want to hear someone shitting around right in my novel.
We'll start this way.
Pantry's right here. It's nice pantry, nice size. You know, you go in here, grab all your stuff. Oh, this is where I left my glasses. Okay, kitchen. I like this. This one doesn't have a seat booth, no, the other one does.
Oh, what are these drawers underneath?
These right here. Let's check them out.
Oh, wow. It's a little different.
Every drawer helps. They're very much needed. And I really do like a place that has a lot of drawers. This seems to be integrated, huh? Mm-hmm. In here. Pretty cool.
I like how they have the lights underneath.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a plus. You can always add
Open
those.
this one.
Let's see.
Open.
Oh, dang, look at this. It's one of those corner ones. This is awesome because normally, you know, it's one side and then the other side. But this gives you like room to put like bigger stuff in there.
Deep seam.
Good catch. Oh, this is deep for sure. Wide. Oh, and I like these right here. We had at the house too. Let's check these out. Very spacious.
Do they not have the pull-out trash cans, or is that it?
Let's see. Are they here? Oh, they're right here. We got two of them right here.
Nice.
They already have stuff in there too. Dining room right here. Not bad. I like this area, you know, we got the living room. And what do we do every time in the living room? We go and sit down. Let's go. All right, let's sit down. Oh man, I had a long day at work today. Oh man.
We gotta get going. Come on.
All right, let's go.
We already went that
I
way?
don't think we've seen this. This is probably where the master room is located and the master restroom. Let's go. Okay. Not bad. Definitely spacious. Obviously, we have like the floor is carpet, so it's like a preference thing. This is different. Obviously, the whole furniture and stuff, like you decide how you want to do that. The space in general, got a window here. You could right away see it's not that spacious on the outside. You could see out there that you're building more houses over there. Got a window here. So definitely feels a little bit more restricted, like more enclosed outside. But house is definitely decent. Restroom, master restroom. What do you think? You want to compare it?
The other ones are better.
Yeah. See how the feel feels outside. But not these. Or outdoor patio furniture and everything, and obviously the integrated grill. Pretty cool how it's like in here and set up. But it does take away a little bit from out there. Definitely I would get rid of that for sure. It's in the way. And just like last time, my dog would shit over there. Or maybe on the other side away from the kitchen, you know?